This game uses money, and this game can also make money for you. Use your money wisely, and remember, this game is for entertainment, not for your main job to make money.
Credo and Penguin coming out the top threes. The ARV built for 124,000. Nicely done with a big old money. Guess what? Better times goes. Bye-bye. Better times. Bye-bye. Welcome to Red Door Roulette. All the points available. All the straight bets working the key numbers up to 15 of those and multiplies up to 28. Cold numbers are 0, 28, 4, 7, and 14. This round, 7 key numbers. Good luck, y'all. 7x16. $16 red. Ladies and gentlemen, 7x, a bonus round. Yes, indeed. Let's go. 17 even hold. Holla! How y'all doing? It's money time! Yeah, we got a 7x, 16. Let's slap it on that wheel, baby. Slap it on! Yeah. See what we can do with it. It better be nice and groovy and good and yummy. And let's roll with a beautiful highest multiplier of 1400x. Let's roll.
This is the amount of money issued 247,426 euros.
$350x, baby. 242 winners nicely done. We got the ARV, Credo and Shahid. That's the top 3 spits open. Right. Worst game. Are you kidding me, Hi? 3
Teaser for sure, man. Big teaser.
Bets closed.
Let's see what do we got. We got 8 keys right now, guys. 8 POM. Hello. Hello, POM. What's up? How you doing? Now we got 5x on 31. And the ball lands on 3 red. Finally, we go to the bonus, guys. Let's go, guys. Follow me. All right, welcome. The first bonus of this session, everybody. Good luck to you guys. Big boy, good for me. Not betting straight bet now, just some time. You're not betting a straight bet. Dude, you should bet some straight, no? Bonus is pretty nice. Hey, Macarena. We got a double. We got a beautiful double. So all the multipliers on the wheel now will double. Let's make a note. We can get multiple doubles, guys. Good luck. And you say sad. Why sad? It's nice. All right, ladies and gentlemen, let's see what.
This is the amount of money issued 34,239 euros.
Oh, baby! 400x. Yo, guys, you see this? Wow, now that's what I'm talking about, man. That's what I'm talking about. That's why you have to play straight bets. Congratulations, 123 winners. Mari.
To you, enjoy. So thank you for playing. Autoplay as well if you want to save your time. And still, red color numbers are dominating, guys. 9 out of 10 last numbers have been in the color red, so going strong with that. But maybe we're going to be getting a combo breaker soon. No more bets. We got 9 keys, 9 bonus numbers this time. Wishing you the best. X on 15. slot time. 12 red with a 3x top slot, ladies and gents. Hopefully this one's gonna be real good for you. Good luck. Here we are again, you guys. Nice to see you. Good luck to everybody. Wish you the best. 3x top slot time. So let's add the top slot to the wheel. There we go. Of course, hoping for them doubles, but the best to get is a 600x right now. So good luck.
This is the amount of money issued 163,845 euros.
600! Woo! We got it! Hey! You guys, we got it! 12 red with 600x. Hey, congratulations! Rafa, Beatrice, Asa.
Bye-bye to that. Here's the deal. See that? That's 7 key numbers for you. Enjoy. Five X 36. $36 red, third doesn't tier section with a 5X, baby. Are you Egyptian, brother? Wait, do I look Egyptian to you? Let's go. Back up with the bonus round. Look at this. Look at this. Guys, 5X. Slap it on the wheel, lads. Let's go. Here we go, come to Papito, you know you want to, big multipliers, come on, doubles, everything, yes, 1,000x hash, let's roll, baby. Ah, look at that, the double, 2,000x, the double. Yeah, baby. Isn't that great? It's fantastic. All right, 2,000x is our highest. Let's hand it right about now.
This is the amount of money issued 369,829 euros.
Hey, 700x, 310 winners. Well done, dig. Betting time's open. Place your bets. The ARV. GKHN and Saeed Kanat raise the ARV. Oh, mama. It's closed. Ten key numbers, enjoy. Four X and 15, 3X 21. $15 black, odd, low, second, dozen, 4X, bingo, let's go. Hello. We got a 4X, by the way. Yeah, that great. Let's slap it on the wheel, baby. Come on. $1,600x highest. Enjoy.
This is the amount of money issued 141,100 euros.
Want 23 red, call this one 22 black. Final seconds, welcome newcomers. How are you? Don't forget straight up as you have to place if you want to potentially get in bonus games. There could be up to 15 key numbers with a chance to get behind the red door, no bets, and sometimes even additional more. You got the 20 extra here. Next keys we have for this one. Let's proceed. Enjoy. 2x24, 15x25. 25. 25 red on number 15. Eggs. Mojo, follow me. Come on. Guys, I can't believe it. What? We got 15 eggs. From the 15 eggs doesn't top that. What? What? Bro. Enjoy. Highest multi, 3,000 eggs. Let's go. No way, you have got to be kidding me. We got a double. We got a double, guys. We got a double, bro. What is happening? Highest multiplier I present to you, 4,000x. Let's go, guys. Come on.
This is the amount of money issued 300,179 euros.
1,200. Guys, I think I just lost my voice. 1,200x, bro. 358 winners, shocking. 17,000 euros you got, bro. What just happened?
A long time actually with you, for a really long time. Okay, final seconds. Let's close it up. And let's see the bonus spots. Well, this time we're gonna have 10 bonus spots. Good luck to all of you guys. Here we go. Next in 32. Oh my days. What is this? Hello? Excuse me. Let's get where we got 32. Hello, guys. So we got something insane here. 32 red was the winning number, and we have a 15x top side on it, which means we're gonna multiply everything on a wheel with 15x. That's insane. Okay, beautiful, beautiful. Highest multiplier for this spin is gonna be 3,000x. So good luck, everybody.
This is the amount of money issued 731,588 euros.
Oh, welcome back. We got 1,500x. Amazing. Good job. Enjoy. Highest win, actually, 411,000 euros. That is wild. Good.
If this game uses money, so be wise in using your money. Pay attention to the meaning of money. Money is a stock of assets that can be immediately used to carry out transactions. Apart from that, money is anything that can be used or received to make payments for goods, services, or debts. Money has one fundamental purpose in the economic system: to facilitate the exchange of goods and services, to shorten the time and effort required to execute a trade. Money is an object that can be approved by all levels of society as a means of exchange in trade. The definition of money is an acceptable medium used by every economic actor or money market player to make transactions easier.